Hey guys, this is Eldino here from Alpha Scene, and today I'm going to be showing you how to turn off the always on display on the Apple Watch Series 5. So let's get right into it. Alright guys, a bit of a handheld footage here, and I'm going to be showing you exactly how to turn off the display that's always on the Apple Watch Series 5. So I've been trying to find this out myself on many forums, websites, even on YouTube, but I don't seem to find like a concrete answer. So I just looked it up myself and found it in the Apple Watch by just browsing to the settings. So what you want to do is click the Apple Watch. Sorry guys, it's just really hard to do with one hand. Look at that, pressing the same button again. I'm so clumsy. Then you want to go to settings here. Why isn't it working? Settings, and then you want to go, wow, this watch is really giving me the hard time today, isn't it? Then you want to go to display and brightness. So you click that, and there you go. It says always on. What you want to do is click it, and then just either turn it off or turn it on. See? And that's how you turn off the always on display on the Apple Watch 5. So if you want to save some battery and get some extra battery life out of it, this is a good way to get that. Anyways, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, comment and subscribe. And if you like seeing these tips and tricks about the Apple Watch, the new one, Series 5, and you'd like to know more, give me a thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below. Peace.